These pecan sandies look and taste like they were made by the Keebler elves. Here's all the ingredients you'll need. Half a cup of vegetable shortening, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 beaten egg, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and finally, half a cup of finely chopped pecans. Use an electric mixer to combine the shortening and sugars until fluffy. You could also substitute butter for shortening. It will just result in a slightly thinner, more spread out final cookie. Next, add the vanilla extract, salt, and beaten egg, then mix again. This is definitely easier to do with an electric mixer, but a whisk will also do the trick. It will just require more energy from you. Combine the flour, baking soda, and cream of tartar in a separate bowl, then add gradually about 1/3 at a time. Mix in between until you have a very crumbly dough. Finally, pour in the chopped pecans and stir with a spoon or rubber spatula. Don't be alarmed at how dry the dough appears. This is exactly how you want it. Just use your hands to press it together, then form into a rough ball. Transfer to a clean bowl, cover, and chill for 30 minutes. Once the dough has chilled, form portions into 1 1/4 inch balls. Then, for the sake of consistency, you can optionally press into circles using a 2.5 inch ring mold. Then transfer to a lined baking tray in batches of 8. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. When cooled, these will have a really satisfying melt-in-your-mouth crumbly texture and a strong pecan flavor. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.